Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through exactly how to do keyword research on VidIQ. VidIQ is one of the most powerful tools for all YouTubers who want to really do well on YouTube. And I've been using it for the past 3 years. It's so good for me. And I know that how it has helped me, if you also understand how it works and you are able to use it well the same way, you will be able to enjoy VidIQ. So first of all, to be able to use VidIQ, you come to your browser and type VidIQ. Okay. So you have to, first of all, sign up for it. When you sign up, I will advise you to add an extension. If you go to your browser, if you go to the extensions, you can search for, you see, I have VidIQ added as one of the extensions. TubeBuddy is also another good extension. But when it comes to YouTube SEO, I rank VidIQ higher than TubeBuddy. So for now, we are looking at VidIQ, okay? So if you you sign up for it, come and add the VidIQ browser extension, okay? After you add it, now you come and then log in. So when you come and you want to just click on login, you'll be asked to put your details to log in. Now, when you log into VidIQ, this is how the interface looks like. Now, how do you use VidIQ to do keyword research? First of all, when you come to VidIQ, you can see ideas here. You see outliers. You can see keyword and all those things. Okay, I will take you through how to use each of them at a time. And I want to also add that we have the free version and we have the paid version. You can use the free version, but if you want more, you can go for the paid version. So first of all, let's come to keywords. Okay, let's see how we can use the keyword part of VidIQ. There are several options we are going to learn, but I'm starting with the keyword. So for example, if you want a keyword like, let's say, Google. So you want to do something, you're a content creator, you want to do a video about Google. Come and type Google and see what they're going to give you. So the word Google, the search volume is very high. It over 1.18 million people searching for it in the last, say, I think the last 28 days or the last month. Okay. If you come here, you can see matching keywords. People are searching for Google Ads. That's one of the most matching keywords. Google Pixel 7 Pro, Google Pixel 8 Pro, how to run Google Ads, how to add IBM extension in Google Chrome. That's also one of the things that people are searching for. How to use Google Trends. So this one, for example, you see, in fact, you have to look at the grid. If you see that the ranking is green, just know that it is a topic that you can do and the competition will be less. Because I tell you, if you don't do this keyword research properly, you will be having a lot of competition. If you enter a crowded area, VidIQ, you'll be doing videos that the competition will be so high that you'll be lost in the crowd. So you have to, if you are using VidIQ, you'll be able to navigate your way and know that this topic is good or this topic is not good. So all the topics that have the max, the overall ranking is 60 and above. It means they are very good topics and they are going to get you views. Now, what do they use to do the ranking? They look at the competition and the search volume. For example, this one, the search volume is good and the ranking should have been higher. But it is comparatively lower because, and as you can see, you are seeing 57. It's lower because the competition is so high. You see that the competition is very high. The search volume is high, very high. The competition is also very, very high. So at the end of the day, it's not a very good topic. The ideal thing is to get a topic with very high search volume and very low competition. So let's look at this particular thing. You see, we are also having another topic here where people are asking that how do we use Google Trends? It means that that's another topic that if I do a video about, for example, it is going to do well because we have 76. 76 is a very good mark. Anything from 60 and above is a good thing to do. Now, you see that this one too, so we have 70, 71, 76. All these are very good topics. So you will see the matching terms, we use matching keywords, you will see questions. And then, so if I were using the pro version, I'm using the free version for now. If I were using the pro version, I will even see over 289 more questions people are asking about Google. You see, when I come here, there will also be more that I will see. So that is how to, if you come to the keyword part, that is how you can make good use of it. You can also come here and see related keywords. Google keyword tour, Sunday Pikai interview. So each of these, as you can see, related keywords, they are what? Keywords that relate to the main topic. And then if you are interested in any of them, you can do further research. So for example, let's say that I am further interested in the topic about what? Google Trends. So I'll just click on it. And when I click, as you can see, people are searching for topics such as how to use Google Trends for YouTube, Google Trends, how to use. Okay, these are very good, interesting topic, how to use Google Trends for YouTube. So you can copy the topic and do further analysis on it. So let's also look at another topic. Okay, let's say I am looking for keyword 2.io. People are asking digital marketing. This is another question that some people are asking. But this is also a very powerful keyword too. Some are asking when you come to the matching terms, how to show up hidden data in keyword2.io. Then these are other questions, how to show up this. These are all information people are asking. So, and you can even look at the trending videos involving that topic. Some of them sometimes will relate, sometimes they may not relate, okay? But these are the most important parameters. Doing a video about keyword2.io itself per se is very, I'm here showing that the search volume is not that high. I don't know, I just come to, let me just do it this way and see. So as you can see, this is keyword2.io YouTube keyword research. How to use keyword2 for free. These are keywords that people are asking. Okay. Now we are done with the keyword part of what? Of this software. We'll move on to the next option. Now, you can also use the ideas option. So for the ideas, it is where every day, depending on the initial content you have produced, VidIQ will give you similar topics that relate. So for example, and they will give you predictions. Every day, when you come to Daily ID, they'll give you 3 topics for free. If you're using the pro version, the free version. If it is the pro, they are more than that. So I am using as I told you, I want to check just a few things they made me save today. So today, for example, they gave me 3 topics. Okay. The first one, I dismissed it. So if you come to dismissed IDS, the first one, for example, today, how to get Canva Pro for free, they were telling me the search volume will be very high. Okay. Now, you will normally have high, medium, and then you will have very high, and medium. If you come, this one was another topic 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Do you know that Gmail and Yahoo are making changes to their guidelines very soon? This is also one that will have very high views. Then you have the high too. So this one again is very high. This is high. This is medium. So they will always give you suggested topics, and almost every topic that they give you and tell you that the prediction is high. I tell you at the end of the day, when you do the video and do it well, you will see that the views will really be high. You can also look at the outliers. The outliers is a feature for Pro, and it helps you to be able to look at videos that are outperforming certain channels average. So for example, they look at channels that are similar to your niche. And they say, for example, if that particular channel has over 100 views, 100 videos, and those 100 videos, none of them have ever crossed, let's say, 10,000 views in the first week. and all of a sudden the person has done a certain video that has surpassed 10,000 views in the first week. That is an outlier. It means that that particular topic is in high demand, and if you do it, you are likely to also perform well in it. So they show you the outliers for certain channels. And you can also come to optimize. For optimize, it helps you to optimize the videos that you have already done. So for example, I've already done this video. I can click on score with boost. Sometimes they will give you the free version. They will also give you the paid version. Sometimes they may also ask you to pay. But normally when you go with boost, what they will say is that they will give you, they will just let you know, they will have a checklist. They will just scan the video and look at all the things that have been done right with the video and all the things that are not done right. And they will give you some initial commentary, and they will give you some suggestions or some changes to make that will help to improve the video's views. So that is what the booth says. You can also go to create. They can help you create a video. So how do you create? So they've given topic of the day, effective strategies for Facebook ad retention. So if I want to really use it to generate, so I just have to I just want to copy the topic. Now, after you do that, they will come and give you a sample ways you should title it. So 2024, how to make Facebook ads people won't scroll by. The best Facebook ad strategies to get results. The 300,000 Facebook ad retention blueprint, proven strategies. So you can use any of these, then you click on continue. So let's say I select the first one, click on continue. Then, so this, for an example, is a thumbnail they have artificially generated, but sometimes it may not be the best for you, but you can either dismiss it or you may use it. So for example, if you like it, you can, if you don't like it, you can ask them to generate more. So if you're using the pro version, they will generate more. So you click continue. They will give you an outline, an introduction, and sample keyword for tagging. And then you will go through the preview, and then you can actually, so the outline is where they will give you details about how you are going to do the video. So for example, they will break down, indicate first impression, you indicate in conclusion the body, so that you will now use that information to actually rehearse and then record the video. So it's a powerful tool that you can use to do a lot. Then you can come to generate. So if you also want them to choose your own topic, and they'll help you enhance that topic, you can just put it. So for example, let's say if I put this particular topic and I click on generate, they will also they will help you with related keywords that may be the best. They'll put the title, and some of these can be used for what the target, and it still bring you to the place where you can just get an outline for your video, and you go and then now do. So these are potential thumbnails that look very nice. You can use any of them. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. I've left a powerful book called Achieving Your Greatest Dreams in the description of this video that will help you to unearth your maximum potential and achieve your biggest goals and dreams. Once again, you can leave your comments in the comment section if you have any problem using VidIQ. See you in the next video. Bye.